Every life-saving rescue helicopter begins its journey as raw aerospace-grade titanium, aluminum alloys, and advanced carbon fiber composites. Each material undergoes extreme stress and ultrasonic testing to ensure it can survive the harshest rescue missions. 5-axis CNC machines sculpt critical structural components with micron-level precision. Carbon fiber fuselage sections are vacuum-sealed and cured under extreme pressure.
189 search and rescue helicopter in distinctive high-visibility golden yellow livery, featuring 5-blade.
The helicopter's main fuselage frame is assembled using laser-guided robotic systems. Heavy-duty landing gear is installed to absorb extreme landing forces. The heart of the helicopter, its turboshaft engine, is forged in extreme heat. Thousands of moving parts are assembled in dust-free cleanrooms. Rotor blades are carefully balanced to prevent vibration mid-air.
Lower, lower.
Advanced avionics provide pilots with real-time rescue data. Rescue winches enable mid-air evacuations. The cabin is converted into a flying emergency ICU. Over 100 kilometers of wiring power life-saving systems. Specialized fuel systems allow long-distance rescue missions. A weather-resistant paint layer protects the aircraft. Ground tests simulate real rescue conditions. The first flight determines mission readiness. The helicopter is carefully prepared for global transport. Transported via trucks, ships, and heavy cargo aircraft. Finally delivered to rescue teams ready to save lives.